3 ZPF to X 0.75 Sugarcane Cultivator Healer can complete the mechanized joint operation of the field management functions, such as crushing soil, weeding, fertilizing, and cultivating soil at the same time, which is conducive to the growth of sugarcane root system. Moreover, it can resist drought and conserve moisture, prevent lodging, dramatically improve work efficiency, reduce cost and labor intensity. It is suitable for sugarcane field management in plains and hilly areas with small slope feature. 3. Point suspension, transmission shaft, fertilizer. Structure: blade, crusher assembly, main, transmission box assembly, fertilizer. Device: